Tesla has a new and big addition at Gigafactory, Texas, and that's going to change a lot of things, including the way and the frequency we may possibly receive information from Giga Texas from now. Welcome back, friends. This is Darryn from TorqueNews.com. If you are here first time, please take a moment and subscribe to our channel for daily Tesla news. Ring the bell so you don't miss my next coverage. So Elon Musk has said recently he has no plans to build a private airport in Austin, Texas, refuting claims made by local media. Remember, we even reported on that at this Torque News channel. While the CEO of Tesla may not be wanting to build a new airport, Tesla has a new addition at Giga Texas. Tesla has added a helipad to Giga Texas where helicopters can land and go up. The new helipad was first spotted by drone operator Jeff Roberts over the weekend, in keeping with the theme of the factory that will soon start producing the Cybertruck. Roberts called it the Cyber Helipad. When he spotted the new addition on the east side of the factory complex, it wasn't quite complete, but based on the size and shape, it was pretty clear what it was going to be. So, new helipad at Tesla Giga Texas. All doubts were set aside when fellow Quad Squad member Joe Tegtmeyer, our friend who has been always flying his drone over Giga Texas and has basically chronicled everything from day one until now of Giga Texas construction. So Joe Tegtmeyer flew over the factory with his drone on Monday. Since Roberts' flight work crews had completed the H in the middle of pad, confirming its intended use. So, the helipad shouldn't cause serious problems for members of the Quad Squad at their drone flyover of the factory, however, reports Drive Tesla. Due to its proximity to Austin International Airport, Giga Texas is already considered Class C controlled airspace. The Federal Aviation Administration says Class C airspace covers from the surface to 4,000 feet in the air. This means, even without the helipad, drone flights are not permitted over or near Giga Texas unless they are previously cleared with the FAA. Thankfully, the agency has an online process for this and can receive approval in just minutes. So hopefully people can safely continue to fly their drones from Giga Texas, so we can get more information how things are going at Giga Texas, because the information that we, the reporters, get from Giga Texas, Giga Berlin, Gigafactory in China, Giga Shanghai, and Fremont Factory are all basically thanks to our friends who fly their drones, notice certain things, and report, and we report here at this Torque News channel for our Torque News subscribers. So what do you think about the helipad at Giga Texas? Do you think drone flyovers still should be able to continue? Let me know, friends, your thoughts in the comment section below. This is Darryn from TorqueNews.com. Please subscribe to our channel for many Tesla electric vehicle news. Ring the bell so you don't miss my next coverage, and also give us thumbs up. Like this video, please, if you found the information here helpful. God bless you. Peace be with all of you, and I'll see you soon in our next Tesla report today.